This Amazon prefabricated mobile pop-up tiny house container home is designed for adaptable living. It is an innovative container home with 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. At its core, this tiny home starts with a foundation of high-strength steel based on the robust structure of a container. This provides inherent earthquake resistance, pressure resistance, and wind resistance, ensuring a sturdy and stable living environment from the outset. The defining feature of this container home is its double-winged telescopic, or retractable, structure. This design is what gives it a unique appearance and significantly increases the available interior space, creating a more expansive living area than typical container homes. This expansion allows for a comfortable layout, including 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. When it comes to deployment, quick construction is a key advantage. The standardized container size and a straightforward installation process mean that construction can be completed rapidly. After necessary internal decoration and connection and fixing, the house can be put into use quickly, greatly shortening the overall construction period. Once in place, the dual-wing retractable structure provides ample living space and can be quickly assembled and disassembled, making for easy relocation to different locations. This makes it an ideal and convenient living solution for various scenarios, whether it's for outdoor adventure, camping, or emergency rescue. Furthermore, this modular design allows for diverse space combinations. Multiple containers can be combined by stacking or splicing, enabling the creation of rich and varied space forms. This flexibility means you can easily achieve anything from a single-story spacious residence to a multi-story duplex structure, meeting a wide range of needs in terms of scale and function. Please check the link in the description for more info. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.